Ladies and gentlemen, today my mom is going to show you how to make biscuits. Biscuits made with wine. Oh yeah, these are wine cookies called Taralli al Vino. They're very popular in the center part of Italy, but now they are taking over the world. Everybody loves them. Takes no time to make it. It's very simple, very easy to cook, and it's kids friendly. We use wine, but yes, anyone can eat it. And I can guarantee you, you're not gonna get drunk. So stay tuned because we're going to show you how to make taralli al vino. Hi and welcome to
Vincenzo's plate.
Yes, today at Nonna's house with mom. Mamma, Graziella, ciao mamma.
Ciao.
Che fai oggi mamma?
Taralli al vino.
Today mom is showing us how to make taralli al vino, a beautiful sweet biscuit from Italy, made with 4 simple ingredients. Once I start eating them, I don't stop. They are so yummy. Allora mamma, ti racconti la storia di questi taralli
Allora,
al vino?
questo è un dolce che è laziale. Lazio, Abruzzo sono attaccati e quindi automaticamente anche noi abruzzesi li facciamo.
So
Ma
this
adesso,
is basically from the region of Lazio, which is where Rome is from, and we come from Abruzzo, which is next door to Lazio. So they are very popular here as well, but they are famous all over Italy right now. And Nonna is supervising us today. Nonna sarà supervisore oggi, eh?
certo, controlla.
She's making sure everything is good. So mamma, facci vedere allora come si fa. Show us, let's do it.
Allora, come unità di misura abbiamo un bicchiere, ma dipende grande o piccolo. L'importante è che l'unità di misura sia un bicchiere.
So mom is calculating the ingredients today. She doesn't know the amount, so she's using glasses. So she's using a glass as a measurement utensil, let's say. So here we have, nonna, cosa abbiamo qui? Here we have a red wine.
Red wine.
But you can actually use rosé, you can use, or you can use white wine.
Sì.
Però con red
Oggi
wine.
col rosso.
Okay, so what you do now, you get the red wine and we put them inside. Nonna,
Allora mettiamo il vino,
put the red wine in bowl.
poi mettiamo lo zucchero.
Again, here
Non
we
pieno,
have,
vedi?
but a bit more than half glass.
Sì.
Now, of course, if you have glasses like this, it's different. A normal size glass, okay?
Perché poi va passato sopra, alla
Ok.
fine sullo zucchero, quindi è
So,
troppo
half
dolce.
glass of sugar.
E adesso beviamo un po'.
Oh, the smell of wine and sugar.
Mamma, dammi l'olio. Passami l'olio.
Che olio abbiamo qui?
Olio d'oliva.
Aspetta, half glass, again, half glass of, a little bit more than half glass of olive oil, okay, my nonna?
Ma va bene anche olio di seme.
You can also use sunflower oil. See, you mix, come and have a look closer, come and have a look at that. See?
Sciogliamo lo zucchero.
So all the sugar must melt. Some people like to put yeast inside, you don't have to, and I think it's lighter, è anche più leggero, senza
Sì,
much
metti
lighter.
qua.
Ora qui abbiamo,
Dovremmo mettere 5 bicchieri di farina che all'incirca è 500 grammi.
So
Poi
we have
se
about-
vogliamo
a cup, not a cup, a glass, a normal glass of flour. Normally she's using 5 glasses, which is about 500 grams. And we add a little bit at a time, not too much. Not too much. Here we mix the first glass. Ok. Come mamma parla, di
Bene,
qualcosa.
questo viene un colore bello rosso. A chi non ce l'ha il vino rosso, bianco o cerasole è ottimo. Lo stesso.
Mom said this is gonna get a nice light red color, you know? Here I'm adding more flour. Andiamo col secondo bicchiere.
Sì,
Second glass.
sì.
A little bit at a time.
Poi a volte può venire un po' di più di vino o di meno, quindi si regola. All'ultimo bicchiere si regola se aumenta.
The last glass of flour, that's when you adjust. That's when you decide if you need more flour or you need less flour. Look how creamy it is. This is a nice cream of wine. A wine cream, mamma, una crema di vino.
Sì.
Una crema di vino rosso.
E poi questo uno tira l'altro. È
Let's go.
buono inzuppare
Vai,
nel vino,
vai.
è buono da mangiare così.
So mom said you can add these biscuits in the wine. You can actually dunk them in the wine. So imagine having red wine and biscuits. Yeah, mom said kids like them. Kids actually like to eat them. And there is wine in it. This is the fourth glass.
Sì.
You can see how dense it is, look. So once we finish this, we have to create a dough and pretend that we're making gnocchi. So we need to make little snakes and then we turn them into little rings. Okay, the last batch of flour. And now it's gonna become nice and dense. Look at that flour over there. Io direi che già da adesso lo fare con le mani, dai, vai.
Aspetta che devo mettere i guanti.
Mom is gonna put some gloves on because you can get your hands a little bit dirty. You have red wine, so you don't want to stain yourself and you want your hands to be nice and pretty. See? So Mom's got the gloves on. It's easier to manage with your hands. You need to feel it with your hands. You need to feel the consistency. You need to feel the consistency. Vai, ecco qui. You put it on the nice board and you work it out. See the technique? See the technique? Oh, that's the consistency that you want.
Vedi?
See, that's the consistency you want. Okay guys, this is the time you want to remove your gloves and make the taralli. Vai, allora, taglia un pezzettino, remove a piece of the dough.
Tieni, vuoi fare?
That's a little one. Fallo vedere come si fa prima. This is what you need to do, look. You need to make taralli, which is a shape like this. So you make a little snake, and you cut a little bit, and you make a little ring. Just like this. Oh.
Si può fare più grande, più piccolo, poi io...
You choose the size that you like, you know? Some people like it small, some people like it big. Look how cute it is, look.
Così.
Look how nice. Prendi anche questo qui, look how easy it is. You get this, you do this, vai, fai anche quell'altro. So simple. All you have to do is you have to make little snakes. Like if you're making nonna gnocchi. By the way, nonna is supervising us.
Ma puoi fare come vuoi.
Come vuoi. Oh, make a big one, have big fingers.
Il bello è perché ognuno ha una forma diversa, non è tutto...
Everyone can have
più grandi, più piccoli.
different shape, you know? So we're gonna put them in a nice tray with baking paper at the bottom, and then you want to put some white sugar on top to give more sweetness. So you have to get a plate with sugar. Here we have white sugar. Come here, look, come here. Then you get...
Poi prendiamo un anellino,
You get a
lo
ring.
bagniamo sullo zucchero,
You just put
in una
sugar
parte sola.
on one side over there, see?
Questa parte la mettiamo sopra e
Non lo so, tutto quello sprecato, vabbè dai, prendiamo un po'. So easy to make them, but they're easier to eat them. Oh my god, they're really nice and
questo è buono da mangiare così, bagnato al vino. Poi si mette dentro
honestly,
una
I can
latte,
guarantee you will become obsessed with this.
si mantiene una settimana se si mette dentro
You
un
can
po'
keep it for about a
di...
week. Once you make them, the last week, if you seal them in a container.
Ecco qui, sono pronti. Vedi che bel colore?
The beautiful smell. The
Senti?
wine. Yeah. Let's have a look if it's crunchy. Listen to this. Questo ci vuole un po' di tempo per farlo diventare bello
Adesso,
croccante.
sì.
Senti. Come here.
Mangia? Adesso si deve raffreddare.
If you wait a little bit longer, they're still warm. But when they're cold, they become nice and crunchy.
Buono, vero?
Ok.
Mettiamo così, guarda. Guarda.
No, we put it
Così,
nice
no, così.
inside here. Grazie mamma per farci vedere questa ricetta, la mangi? Like I said, you can't stop
Si
eating
devono
them.
raffreddare.
Mom said you have to wait for them to cool down, but they are good. Okay. So guys, thank you so much for watching this episode. We will see you in the next Vincenzo's Plate video recipe.
E ora si mangia
Vincenzo's Plate. Oh yeah. Guys, look, we have more to cook here. So we have lots to do this evening. And I think I'm gonna have this for dinner.
Dobbiamo mettere lo zucchero.
Fantastic. Sugar.